Of course, tikiman, di ba? Titikman natin. Mainit pa to, ah. This is mine. Share ko to.
Hello everyone! In today's video, gagawa tayo ng biko.
Ang sarap. Hindi naman siya matamis. Hindi matamis. Pagka-salty. Na matamis. Malinamnam. Good for coffee. Lalo na pag malamig na to. Siyempre, sarap. So, ayan guys, meron tayong malagkit. So, ang unahan natin is sasaing na tayo ng malagkit, no? Para makagawa tayo ng biko. Magsaing na tayo. Huwag lang ano din. Ang dami mo na sinasabi. Sorry guys. Ang dami ko na sinasabi, no? Kulang ito. Kaya, dagdagan natin ng isa pang sako. Uy, isang sako talaga. Okay. Kasi ako nagluluga ako, hindi ko tinatakal at hindi ko mini-measure talaga. Hindi ako sanay. Ano lang ako by instinct lang talaga ako nagluluto. So, yun lang. Iniisip ko lang kung tinachansya ko lang ba. So, ayan na yung ano natin, yung malagkit natin. So, let's do this. Hugasan natin ang ating malagkit. Ayan daw yun eh. Paano magsaing? Ganun daw yun, no? Kailangan mo i-ano dito sa iyong fingers to make it better. Para maluto siya na hindi basa at saka hindi hilaw. So, ayan na. Isalang na natin yan. Let's make it now. Okay. And syempre, takpan natin yan ang ating ano. Okay. Tayo. Let's make slow fire, okay? Slow fire lang, guys. Okay? Huwag masyadong malaki yung apoy kasi magiging hilaw siya. So, slow fire lang siya. So, in another side, guys, here, I have to make a coconut oil. We make coconut oil, okay? So, this is a coconut, pure coconut. So, yeah. Make it. Ay. Wala na ko yung I don't have any fingernails. Okay, let's make a latik in this side. Our coconut is almost done. Look at this. Almost na siya naglatik. As you can see. Yeah. Kunti na, latik na yan siya. Mamay-may. Kasi focus natin ng camera later. When it's almost, almost really latik. So as of the moment, we can come this way. See? Luto na yung bigas. Kasi yung bigas, what we should do? We add some sugar. Ang laki ng bahay, pero maliit yung kitchen. So this one, some sugar. Lagay ko to fridge kasi matigas. Okay, so let's add some sugar. Look at this. And of course, let's add a pinch of salt. Sarap siya. Ano yung lasa ng sweet and salt. I don't know if it's enough latik. If not, we can make another one. Okay. So we're gonna make this first. Be careful because it's hot. Oh, see, the rice is good. I love it. Magandang pagkasain niya. It's not na hindi siya basa. Tama lang siya. This is why people love my biko because also hindi siya nakakaumay talaga yung biko ko. This is good for business. I'm gonna add a little bit more sugar now. So, kailangan lang talaga pag gagawa ka ng ganitong klaseng biko is you need to have a non-stick pan. Yes. I love it when you are making with a non-stick pan because if it is sticky, then yung yung bigas mo marami siyang, yung kanin mo maraming tutong. and it is not good kasi maraming nasayang. Ayan. This kind of biko, wala talaga siyang tutong. Gusto natin na paghalo ng maayos yung sugar niya. Okay, so maya-maya ihalot na natin ang ating oil. I make a biko not so sweet. I don't like so sweet biko. Medyo kulang pata yung sugar niya. Add a little bit more. Yeah, that is nice enough. Okay, so now, continue natin dito. Okay na yan siya. Slow fire. Ito, we need to make it. And right, that's dirty. I'm sorry guys. Hindi kasi natin kusina to. Kailangan talagang malinis siya lagi. I don't like it. This is not my kitchen, so I want to make it clean all the time. Nangihiram lang tayo ng kusina. See, as you can see, look at this. Okay, you can see this. The latte. Look at. So almost. Hindi na siya magmantika. So as you can see that. Pa-oil na siya, kunti na lang. So, ayan, okay na yung ating latte. It's okay now. It's so much oil already. So, let's add this one to our big. So, yeah, look. Okay. Okay na, okay na. So, yeah. We need drainage. Grab this and just drain the oil. You can see that, guys. Ganun lang ka-easy. Mawa ng buko. If mahilig ka sa kusina, marami kang matutunan sa akin. Kasi parehas tayo. May matutunan ako sa iyo. I learn something from you. You learn something from me. Ganun lang yan, vice versa. Oh, yeah. Sarap nito. You know what? This one can take for 3 days. Without, hindi mo na siya kailangan ilagay sa fridge. No need to put inside the fridge. Because the biko will getting hard if you are stored into the fridge, just leave it outside. And it takes longer. Why? Because you use oil, not like the regular biko that people always do. That they make lapek. I mean, I don't know how they make it, but I don't know how to make that kind too. I feel like that is so complicated to do. This is easy for me anyway. Okay, so it's almost ready, but you have to make it absorb everything inside the rice. Okay, we need to absorb the coconut oil into the sticky rice. So we cover it first and maybe 15 or 30 minutes. Okay. Alright. So, ang ating biko ay isa lang na rin natin. Ilagay natin dito sa fuel kasi Dito magkasya. Dalawa ata ko. Let's see. Kasya. Very nice. I'll take some for myself. Very good. Perfect. It's just nice. Of course, I'll take some for myself. Save tayo for ourselves. Sarap nito pag kinabukasan. Oh. This is for me, for my coffee. Yeah. So perfect. The biko is ready. And remember, we have this. Look. And because I need something for it kasi kakamay natin. Okay. This is the latik. Diba? Siyempre, yung sa akin din.
Actually, sa Bisaya kasi ito is tinatawag namin dito lunok. Sa Tagalog, ang tawag nila dito is latik.
Okay. The biko, the sarbiko.